Starting a website, you need exactly two things: domain and hosting. Plus plan is $1 per month for your first year. That's $12 total. Here's what you get: unlimited websites, unlimited storage, free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate, daily automatic backups, DDoS protection, and 24/7 support. Call or email them anytime you need help. Everything included. Click the link in the description. The discount applies automatically. When you land on IONOS, scroll down and look at the 4 hosting plans. You'll see Essential, Starter, Plus, and Ultimate. Pick the Plus plan. $1 per month. Unlimited everything. Click Add to Cart. Add your domain. Type in what you want, like yourbusiness.com. Click Search. If it's available, it shows up as free for the first year. Click Add to Cart. Domain Guard. This gets added automatically. It's $1 and protects your domain from being transferred without your permission. Keep it on. Click Continue. Optional add-ons. You'll see professional email and site scan options. You don't need these right now. Skip them. Click Continue. Review your cart. Plus plan. $12 for 12 months. Domain. Free for first year. Domain Guard. $1. Total. $13. Turn on free private registration. This keeps your personal info private. Click Continue. Enter your billing information, then click Continue. Payment method. Enter your info. Click Buy Now. Done. That's it. Check your email. IONOS sends you your login info and instructions. Log into your account. Click Get Started. Install WordPress with 1 click. From there, you can pick a theme, add pages, customize everything. Here's what you need to know about the future. Year 1 costs $13. Year 2, it renews at $12 per month plus your domain renewal, about $160 total. But you have 30 days to try everything risk-free. If you don't like it, cancel and get your money back. You need 2 things: domain and hosting. IONOS gives you both, plus unlimited storage, security, backups, and support. For $13 your first year. That's the entire checklist. Click the link in the description. Pick Plus plan. Add your domain. Checkout. Build your site. 30-day guarantee means 0 risk. Stop overthinking it. You've got everything you need. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.